Hello and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 14. The presence of oxygen in air can be determined by passing a given volume of air through A. Acidified KMnO4, B. Alkaline pyrogalol, C. Concentrated H2SO4, D. Lime water, E. Water. So this question is asked how you can detect oxygen in a given volume of air. How can you detect oxygen in air? So the test for this usually is done using alkaline pyrogalol. Alkaline pyrogalol is used for this experiment, and how it works is that it absorbs oxygen from air, turning brown from a colorless solution. So what happens is that alkaline pyrogalol is usually colorless, but when you pass a volume of air containing oxygen, of course, it will absorb that oxygen from the air and turn brown. So it will no longer be colorless again, it will become brown. Now this way it is used to calculate the amount of oxygen in air via the OSAT apparatus. Okay, so this is just something you may take note of. The OSAT apparatus is used to calculate the amount of oxygen in air using this alkaline pyrogalol. But from the question as it asks, we are just asked what can be used to detect the presence of oxygen in air. So as we have rightly established, alkaline pyrogalol, which is option B, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.